morning to all of you. Meet me, I am Sunita Kumari. I come from Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand. Today I am here to show you one interesting class that is name is lead class. Before starting, first of all I want to thank that person who has given me a golden opportunity to improve myself. Yes guys, I am talking about none other than the one and only, one of the best teacher, Mr. Vikram sir. So big hand for Mr. Vikram sir. Today I am talking about story. Story is most important in our life. By a story, we can learn good education as well as moral education. Me and my friend want to recite some motivational story. I hope you like this. Now I want to recite motivational story. The title of the story is Clever Jackal. Once upon a time, there was a forest. Clever Jackal used to live in forest. He was very hungry. He hadn't eaten food till many days. He thought I should search food, and he went to forest. After going, he began to search food. But when he was searching food, he didn't get food. He thought what to do, where to go, whom to call, how to eat food. Then he became sad. After becoming sad, he said to God, please help me. After saying this, he began to come home. But when he was coming home, just then he saw one die elephant. He became happy. He began to dance and he sang a song. After some time, he went in front of die elephant and he jumped on the elephant body. After jumping, he began to tear elephant skin. But when he was tearing elephant skin, he couldn't tear because elephant skin was very strong. Then he thought what to do, where to go, whom to call, how to eat food. Then he thought I should use my mind. And he saw one lion was coming from each direction. Then he said, lion uncle, come here. Having listened this, lion came towards Jackal and asked, what happened? Why did you call me? Then Jackal said, I have killed one elephant. If you want to eat, then you can eat. Then lion said, I don't eat the animal. After saying this, he left from there. Then Jackal thought, now what to do? After some time, he saw one tiger was coming from west direction. Then he called to tiger. Tiger uncle, come here. Having listened this, tiger went towards Jackal and asked, why did you call me? What happened? Then tiger said, lion has killed one die elephant. If you want to eat, then you can eat. Lion has given to river to take bath. When lion will come, then I will shout. Then tiger said, okay, I am ready. And he went to in front of the elephant. And he began to tear elephant body. But when he was tearing elephant body, just then Jackal began to shout, run away, tiger uncle, run away. Lion is coming. Having listened this, tiger ran away from there. Thus Jackal ate elephant meat till 3 months ate it. So by story, we can say mine is the best. Thank you. Now I want to call my first friend, Miss Sanjyoti Kumari. So big hand for Miss Sanjyoti Kumari.
Hello guys, good morning to all of you. I am Sanjyoti Kumari. Today I want to recite my one story. A story name is Trust is a key to success. Once upon a time there was a village. Kafar used to live in village. He had 2 children. There is a girl whose name was Ria. Ria was Astopes girl as well as Ria was Sweetie girl. And there is a boy whose name was Vikram. Vikram was philanthropics boy. And Ria went in front of Papa. And Ria said, Papa, I need money because I want to go to picnic. Papa said, now I have no money. I will provide tomorrow. Having seen this, Ria began to mourn. But when Ria was mourning, having listened this, Papa became melancholy and Papa thought, I should sell balloon. After that, he got hacken and he began to go to sector 4. But when he was going to sector 4, he saw just then he saw two PT girls were disputing with each others, and he went in front of PT girls and he asked, "Where are you disputing with each others?" One PT girl said, "I have no money, so we are disputing with each others." Having seen this, Papa provided 10 rupees. After that, two PT girls became happy and she said politely thanks. After that, Gaffer reached sector 4. After going, he began to sell balloon. But when he was selling balloon, one balloon come in front of Gaffer and she asked, "Can I buy balloon?" Gaffer said, "Yes, why not?" After selling balloon, Gaffer reached home and asked to Ria, "Where is Vikram?" Ria said, "Vikram is philanderer boy, so he has gone to city college." Papa said, "Vikram is a philanderer boy. Rather, Vikram is philanthropist boy." After that, Gaffer said, "Your education is adulterant. It is our due matters. You shouldn't apprehend big brother." After saying this, Gaffer went to privacy and Ria thought, "Papa was right and I was wrong. So I should go in front of Papa." And she went in front of Papa and she said, "Forgive me, Papa, forgive me. You were right and I was wrong. Because I knew my brother is docile, tremendous and debonair boy. So I promise you, Papa, in coming days I will be aggressive and punctual girl." Papa said, "Daughter, if you want to success in life, then you trust any people. Don't apprehend. Because trust is a key to success." So by story we can say trust is a key to success.
Okay friends, now I call to my second friend Miss Sunita Kumari. So big hand for Miss Sunita Kumari.
Hello everyone, I am Smita Kumari. Today I want to recite one story. My story name is "Man is the Best." Once upon a time there was village. All men stood in village. He had three sons. Three sons were lazy. One day all men was to die. He thought I should test my three sons. So first of all he called Big Son and asked, "Can you bring wood from forest?" Big Son said, "Yes, Papa, I can bring wood from forest." Big Son got ready. After getting ready, he began to go to forest. But when he was going to forest, just then he saw Vikram sir was dancing with Riya. After seeing this, he thought I should also dance. He went to in front of Vikram sir and asked, "Can I dance with you?" Vikram sir said, "Yes, why not?" Big Son began to dance, but when he was dancing, just then he thought I should getting late. He go to forest. He began to go to forest, but when he was going to forest, just then he saw there is nothing but tree there. He began to cut it, but when he was cutting wood, just then one ghost appeared and ghost said, "If you will cut wood, then I will kill you." After listening this, Big Son is scared and he ran away. He came home. Papa said, "Where are wood?" Then Big Son said, "Sorry, forgive me, Papa. I couldn't bring wood from forest." All men thought what to do, where to go, home to go, how to bring wood. Then he called his second son and asked, "Can you bring wood from forest?" Second son faced the same problem. Then after all men thought what to do, where to go, home to go, how to bring wood. Then he called his small son and asked, "Can you bring wood from forest?" The small son said, "Yes, Papa, I can bring wood from forest. But I have two conditions." Papa said, "Say son, what are your conditions?" The small son said, "I need a shirt in beside a pocket. And second condition, one ball milk rice." Papa said, "Okay, I complete your condition." After some time, by tractor, the small son went to forest. Having gone, he thought I should cut wood. He began to cut, but when he was cutting wood, just then one ghost appeared and ghost said, "If you will cut wood, then I will kill you." After listening this, the small son didn't scared. The small son said, "I will kill you." Ghost said, "How can you kill me? I am ghost." The small son said, "Let's play a game. I have one ball milk rice, it divided in two parts. Who will eat fast, he will be winner." He said, okay, I am ready. Both began to eat milk rice, but small son wasn't eating either. He was keeping in the packet. After some time, small son, I am winner, I am winner. I eaten before, then ghost said, you are cheater. I have eaten fast. I have eaten, then show me. Small son took knife and he attacked his stomach. He just then milk rice he came out from his stomach. Small son said, can you do this? Ghost said, I am ghost, I can't do anything. Ghost took knife and he attacked his stomach. Just then he was died. Because ghost life was in his navel. After that, small son cut wood. After cutting wood, he came home. Papa said, where are wood? Then small son said, where woods are on the tractor. After seeing this, Papa became happy. Papa said, you are genius, you are talented. So by your story we can say mine is the best.
Okay, now I want to call my third friend, Mr. Rahul Kumar. So big hand for Mr. Rahul Kumar.
Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. I am Rahul Kumar. I am Vishnu Rice is following the Senate by Mr. Vikram sir. One beautiful story title name of Tit for Tat. One day, once upon a time there was village. All many used to live in the village. He had one daughter. Daughter name is Ria. Ria was a strong girl as well as beautiful girl. One day Ria went from Papa and Ria said, Papa, why I need money? Because I want to go to picnic. Then Papa said, I have no money, so I will give tomorrow. Then Ria asked one girl, so Ria said, if you want to give money, then I want to go to school. Then Ria went to website and Ria said, I hate Papa, I hate Papa, I hate Papa. Then Ria went in front of mountain. Ria said, I hate Papa, I hate Papa, I hate Papa. Then some sound written in the mountain, I hate Papa, I hate Papa, I hate Papa. Then Ria thought there is a ghost in the mountain. Then Ria went in front of home and Ria said, Papa, there is a ghost in the mountain. Then Papa said, let's go. Then we began to go to mountain. What went by going to mountain? Then Ria said, I hate Papa, I hate Papa, I hate Papa. Then some sound written in the mountain, I hate Papa, I hate Papa, I hate Papa. Then Papa said, tell daughter, I love you, I love you, love you. Then Ria said, I love you, I love you, love you. Then some sound written in the mountain, I love you, I love you, love you. Then Ria said, Papa, there is a ghost. Papa, ghost is my friend. Then Papa said, if you respect any there, then you respect you. Then Papa said, if you wear red glass, then all look red. And if you wear white glass, then all look white. So I can say by the story Tit for Tat.
It's time to end our leading class. But before ending, we want to say laughing is life because
God is
God